Okay, good morning, students. After the discussions of the elementary knowledge of sets, today basically we will discuss about the concept of power set. The concept of power sets. So to discuss about the power sets, we shall first try to understand that what is a power set, how it expressed. A power set generally is expressed this way. Power set of A. If A is a set, then the power set is expressed as power set of A in this way. Here in bracket I write power set of A. If A is a set, then its power set will be defined as power P of A, power set of A. Let us give an example first. Suppose a set is 1, 2. So this set has two elements 1 and 2. So what is power set is saying, that its definition is, it is a collection of all subsets of the particular sets. The definition, it is a collection of all subsets. It is the collection of all subsets of a particular set. Now how can I arrange all sorts of subsets from this particular set? That is, we have to see. So each and every element will actually give you the idea of set. For example, this 1 I can also write as in set formations. These 2, these are all singleton set, already I have learned it. Even 1, 2, this is also a set, because a set is a subset of itself, already I discussed. Other than this, there is also another set that also I discussed in my previous class, that is called phi, that is null set. So null set is a subset of any set in this world, whatever the sets are there. So phi is a subset of any set. Null set generally we express as phi in this way. So here this phi is also an element of this power set. Therefore we can say that power set of A is equal to, in set formation we should write in this way. And you see how many elements are here? This power set has 1, 2, 3, 4. So the element in the given set is 1 and 2, and its power set we are getting phi, element 1, element 2, and element 1, 2. That is this set itself. We also can write this way also, as A also can write. So in this way, if you want to write this way, you also can write power set of A is equal to phi 1, then 2, and then A. So we can, from here also, we have got another concept, a very important concept. That's why willingly I have written this way. That is, this A belong to the set power set. Very, very interesting proposition. This A belong to the power set of A. I repeat, this A is a set, but this A belong to the power set of A. And as all of you know, that A is a subset of itself. So A is a power set of A. This implies and does implies also that A is a subset of A. Even so, if this logic we can write, we also can write in this way. If X belongs to power set of A, if X, an element, belongs to the power set of A, so this implies we can write also that X is a subset of A. X is a subset of A. Write in big word. Very conceptual. You have to write so many words, these expressions. Either these expressions or this expression you have to write. That's why clearly I have stated this. Please write it down, this concept. Okay, once we write what is the power set of A, next also can give another examples. Generally coming in NCERT also you can see this example. If A is equal to, say, 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. What is this power set? Its power set we can write How we can write? First to write all the singleton set, then 2, then 3, then all the order pair, set of order pairs 1, 2, then comma 1, 3, then 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And as well as I told you, 5 is also a set. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here also you can see that total 8 elements are there. If 3 elements in the power A set A, we are getting a 8 elements in the power set of A. And in this way, if we proceed, so if we have, so the theorem we are getting, if we have n elements in set A, then number of cardinal numbers in the power set of A, we can get 2 to the power n in this formula. So if in a set there are n is equal to 4, we will get the power set is 2 to the power 4. And it's proof also there, but right now I am not proving it, because to prove this theorem we have to know the permutation combination concepts. So that we shall discuss once we finish the combinations over there. I will again discuss about this power set. Once you understand this, let us try to solve few important problems in power set. Also you can write down some properties of power sets. Some properties of power set. Number one property you can write that if number one, if A is a subset of B, if A is a subset of B, then power set of A is also a subset of power set of B. If A is a subset of B, then power set of A is a subset of power set of B. This also you have to know. Similarly, second theorem, if power set of A intersection of power set of B, it's intersection sign, power set of A intersection of power set of B, okay, this is equal to power set of A intersection of B. But one thing you must know, that power set of A plus power set of B, or union you can say, is not equal to power set of A union B. A very important three important propositions that we will discuss, so that we have to know that this is not equal to power set of A union B. And we also can prove it also. In my next video, I will also prove the power set of A union power set of B is not equal to B. Let us solve some famous problems so that we can also finish this in this video. That is, prove that, write down these problems, prove that power set of phi, number of elements in the power set of phi, this is equal to 4. A very famous questions, both in CBSE and ISC, generally we ask. See, all of you know, if phi is a null set, then its power set we can write in this way, right? So, because there is, what is phi say? Phi, there are no elements in set. So 2 to the power 0 is equal to 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So only one element in the power is in this power set. So power set of phi, I should say, is equal to 5. So if it is like this, so power set of phi, from here gradually you come, from the right hand side you gradually come. So power set of phi you can get. See, phi already, as I told, that phi is a set of any sets, and also you can write this set itself. So for this element, for this power set of phi, you can write these two elements. 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, and power set of phi pop-ups. You can say that it's a two elements. So logically, following the formula, we can say that 2 to the power 4, 2 square. That is 4 elements are there. You can get what? That is 5, then 5, comma. This is one. Then singleton again. Then this is already have done. Double. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 elements are there. Therefore, you can say the number of cardinal elements of power set of 5 is equal to. So you have proved in this way. Thank you very much.